What's up, guys? As you guys can see, we got a new project on the channel. You guys probably know it. The guys that has been in the Stones game since that time, you guys will definitely know this car. I never knew it. I only heard from other people that they know the car, and that's why I'm thinking that most of you guys would know the car. Any case, the car does need a lot of work. Handles, as you can see over there. I like the color, so I'm probably just gonna respray the same color, take out some rust and things like that. The bumper, I don't know what caused this, to be honest. Do you think it's plastic primer that they didn't apply, or what?
Probably didn't prep with the utensils.
Yeah. And
All
then
about preparation, bro.
all about prep, bro. And then this bubbles, probably rust, no? What do you think?
Yeah, does it come inside?
You can have a look now on the inside. But yeah, and then suspension wise, this car needs a lot of work. Ashwin from BLG told me that this guy used to drive this car this low on springs, cut springs. Yeah. So the suspension needs to be fixed up. Got some semi-clear tail lights. I love that. So glad we got that. And then inside we do have the handles. Can probably just glue it again or something like that. Push it. Yeah, that's the handles. Car does need a nice touch up. These are easy to come by, so I'm probably gonna show that out soon. Seats, I'm hoping. One of my friends actually had a Ballot with Type S seats in front, so if I can get a set like that, that would be amazing. That would be amazing. We got the quick release steering over here. Nice gear knob. Gears does need some bushes. And yeah, the car has air suspension. I think I forgot to mention that. Don't you want to eat out quickly? Yeah, we're trying to get the jack underneath, but the car is still a bit too low due to the side skirts, and everything is loose on the car, so I don't really want to spoil it. But today we will be fitting the low control arms over there. Some nice second-hand low control. Oh yeah, forgot to show you guys that. It's fine, but we can always. Yeah. So when that happens, that only happens once you air out the car completely, and then it does that in the front whenever you want to air it up again. I don't like it, but it has its reasons why it's there. So I think I'm gonna keep it like that rather. And then yeah, so some touch-up work would be amazing. I don't know if I should go new spec, but yeah. Oh yeah, and the car had a lip in front. It looked nice with that lip, if I'm being honest. But the lip had, like I said, the lips on this car, everything on this car is loose. This is a real lip. So this one's about to break soon. I think I should just take it off for now and then try to fix it in another video. I hope we can fix the front one. Let me show you guys. Yeah, let me show you guys what it looks like. So I'm gonna let it lay here in front quickly. Okay, let's slide it in from the side. I mean, it just changes the whole front of this car. Lip does a lot, yeah. But yeah.
Let's get this guy. I knew he was gonna do that.
I got this man in, no? A lekker fade.
Guys, look here, man. We're gonna show you some evidence here. We're gonna show you some evidence.
Die magats na, kijk eens wat doen hij. Hij vat hij reizen na, hij skip. Machines is. Toen gaat hij met de fade. Toen hij weer komt met die dingie boe. Look at that. That's not bad, bro. Nah, I mean, you're not showing the. That's not bad. Look at that, guys. That's not bad, bro.
Not too shabby.
Could do with a little bit of more
More
fading,
fading, yeah.
but I mean,
And the thing is, yesterday night we went out to Stelly's. This guy want me to go with the half fight Stelly's.
but yeah. Nah, that I don't know where that water is coming from. Hy het weer nie genoeg air vir agter nie, né? Yeah, so it's quite a small tank. Oh yeah, let me show you guys the setup at the back quickly. Mag op die boot, né? Gasoline. It's one of those old, very basic setups. Does need a nice makeover. The entire boat needs a nice makeover. Nothing great there, but I think enough talking. Let's do the slow controls.